Today, I stand before you to share the profound teaching of Karuna, also known as compassion, from the wisdom of the Buddha. In a world often filled with strife and suffering, the practice of Karuna holds the key to transforming our hearts and creating a more compassionate and empathetic society. Karuna is the boundless and selfless compassion that seeks to alleviate the suffering of all living beings. It goes beyond mere sympathy and extends to a deep understanding of the pain and struggles of others. The Buddha once said, "If your compassion does not include yourself, it is incomplete." This beautifully captures the essence of Karuna, the practice of extending compassion not only to others, but also to ourselves. The Buddha himself was the embodiment of Karuna. His teachings and actions were guided by an unwavering compassion for all beings. He offered solace to the weary, healed the sick, and showed kindness even to those who opposed him. His compassion knew no bounds, embracing all with equal love and understanding. In a world often marked by divisions and conflicts, the practice of Karuna is a transformative force. It bridges the gaps between people, fostering a sense of unity and common humanity. It allows us to see beyond our differences and connect with the shared experience of joy and suffering that unites us all. The beauty of Karuna lies in its capacity to heal not only those who receive it, but also those who offer it. When we extend compassion to others, we cultivate a profound sense of interconnectedness and empathy. Our hearts expand, and we become more attuned to the needs and struggles of those around us. Through the practice of Karuna, we break down the barriers that separate us and create a more inclusive and caring world. It is a reminder that we are all in this journey of life together, and that we have the power to ease each other's burdens. Karuna is not a mere sentiment or fleeting emotion. It is a practice that requires genuine effort and intention. It begins with cultivating compassion towards ourselves, recognizing that we too are deserving of love and understanding. Only when we treat ourselves with compassion can we extend it wholeheartedly to others. So let us all take a moment to close our eyes and reflect on the power of Karuna. Let us open our hearts to the practice of compassion, starting with ourselves and extending it to those around us. Imagine a world where Karuna is the guiding force in our interactions. A world where compassion replaces judgment, understanding replaces anger, and healing replaces division. May the teachings of Karuna inspire us to be agents of change, to be the bearers of compassion in a world that desperately needs it. Let us embrace the transformative power of Karuna, for in doing so, we not only heal ourselves, but also contribute to the healing of the world. Thank you.